Hello, today we're going to be going over some key features using OneDrive on your student email account. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to go to the top left blue box. This will open up your apps. Then, under Apps, we're going to click OneDrive. Once OneDrive loads, you can see on the left we have a couple options: Files, Recent, Shared, Discover, and the recycling bin. On the right, you can see Files. These are files that I have uploaded to my OneDrive and that I can access anytime through my student account. For this demonstration, we're going to upload a new file. First, click Upload, and then Files. We are going to upload a picture that we may use in a future video. Once we chose the picture to upload, on the right you can see it tells you that it's uploading that item, and then after it gives us an option to share this as a link. Once you click the Send Link button, this dialog box appears. You can send this to your teacher or to your classmates. For this example, I'm going to send it to my boss. You can type a message and then hit send. After, it'll tell you when it's successfully sent. Those were just two helpful features provided by OneDrive through your student Outlook account. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.